Here comes modern-day lucha libre excellence.
A group built off the back of jealousy and betrayal.
And an overflowing amount of ego.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring at a combined weight of 600 and...
The gold medalist has arrived.
And from Pittsburgh,
Latino Heat!
and from El Paso, Texas, weighing in at 220...
Looks like we're ready to kick this thing off. He wants this fight on the outside.
He gets back into the ring.
Jumping neck breaker. Ouch. Oh. Oof.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking it out.
As we'll set up in the corner of the ring.
Paint a picture for me, Corey. Hypothetically, what are some tactics you'd use to win a no-DQ match?
Well, I'd stash some kendo sticks beforehand. Maybe a little body weight to give you a much-needed hand. Maybe throw Saxton like a fastball special. That's the beauty of a no disqualification match. You can do all that and not get dinged. The sky is the limit. Drop kick from behind. Nice amateur takedown.
Now we see Angle. Now shoulders down.
Here we go. Kicking out there really has to make his opponent question his game plan.
Knife edge shot echoing through the arena. Angle heads up. Uh-oh. Way too. Fends off the attack with an elbow.
Got to change something up with the pin technique.
And he backed into a proverbial corner, unable to find an angle.
That's the way for Escabor to make an impact in this match. Oh my God. Oh, missed connection.
Looks to climb the top rope. Take off. Diving shoulder tackle. Big counter by Angle.
The powerbom's not meant to be pretty, but oh man, does it get the job done. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they don't want to be taking any more of those. Dishing out a suplex.
We're getting up close. Look at this intense battle.
Got him right where he wants him.
And meanwhile, Guerrero gets his shoulder up before the 2 count.
Just using the adrenaline to stay in the match. We're going to...
Oh, what are they going to do here?
Oh, the clover leaf! Check out the torque on the back. It's hooked in deep. His body's overcome with pain. Is he going to...
And he breaks his own submission.
Maybe his plan was... Push it! Good Lord! Taking flight. Showing no regard for his opponent's well-being. Using him like a hammer saw to break the table in half. Clearly holding nothing back. Looking to do lasting damage.
Now here's Chad Gable. Here's the cover. I think this man... Wait, no.
Not like this.
Oh, that hurt. Uh-oh. Finds a counter for Gable. Misses the target. Can Chad get out of it? Counters. Cover.
We got a referee out of commission here. Someone's got to make a count.
He's going to set him over the top rope with a big clothesline. Now what does he do? He's got the man right where he wants him, in trouble. Across the ring.
Cross landing powerbomb. Watching, waiting, and we know exactly what he's thinking. Look out!
Exploder suplex.
Precision offense into the pin. This could be it.
Wow.
Setting up for something here. He's driven crossing. There it is. Reversal.
Gets driven into the corner.
Oh, that was inventive. He's able to reversal.
We're seeing one response after another. Neither superstar gaining a foothold.
Meanwhile, Gable. Oh, that hurt.
Into the cover. Exclamation.
Escabor with the cover. This might do it. No, he gets the shoulder.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming.
He covers. Is this it?
Could be.
And a kick it.
Both men now on the apron. This is a scary situation.
Are you kidding me? Off the apron to the floor.
We knew this was going to be brutal, but didn't imagine carnage like this.
Bro, I guarantee no one had this.
Move over, Byron. Let a professional call this one because this is going to be nasty. From the top. That was awesome, Cole. So much damage has already been done.
Yeah, he could really use a miracle right about now. Oh, man, a kendo shot to the head. That can't feel good. No way. Slingshot senton.
Threw caution to the wind, and it paid off big time.
Looks like he's coming back in.
Gosh, what a match. There's the Canadian Destroyer. Wow.
Picks the leg, looking for the ankle lock submission.
Keeping the team in this one. Set him up, Russian leg sweep. Climbing to the top. What's he have in store? Bring it down high. Back to Guerrero.
Gordo's chances are dwindling.
2 count. Eddie Guerrero gets the win.
Here are your winners. The team of Kurt Angle, Eddie Guerrero, and Chad Gable.
Big win for these three here tonight.
It's always great to visit the pay window, but a victory like this makes the winner's purse all that much sweeter.